Today we are going to learn about the anatomy of your brain, of our brain. So we have a picture of brain here. You will see in the red color, it is frontal lobe, light blue color, parietal lobe, green color, occipital lobe, yellow color, cerebellum behind, frontal lobe is in front. This brain stem, also known as spinal cord, yellow color temporal lobe, red color small, this one pituitary gland, and this orange hippocampus. This is orange color hippocampus, and this is blue color hypothalamus. Frontal lobe, temporal lobe, hypothalamus, parietal lobe, brainstem, cerebellum, hippocampus, occipital lobe, pituitary gland. These are parts or lobes of the brain. This is the anatomy, and now we are going to read their functions. Frontal lobe in front helps you reason, plan, pay attention, and move specific body parts. It is both cognitive and also somatic. Helps in moving body parts, and you can pay attention, stay attentive. Hypothalamus, this blue part, in charge of your body temperature, hunger, and thirst. It regulates temperature, hunger, and thirst. Parietal lobe lets you perceive things like touch, taste, and pain. TTP. Hypothalamus TTH, temperature, thirst, hunger. Parietal lobe TTP, touch, taste, and pain. Occipital lobe makes sense of what you see. Occipital, O for ocular means eyes. You can remember it with eyes. Make sense of what you see. Occipital lobe, behind the eyes. This is cerebellum, also medulla oblongata. Here is it. So helps you coordinate when you move. Cerebellum helps you coordinate when you move. It's behind the spinal cord, so you can figure it out with this. It helps you coordinate when you move. It does not let you fall. Brainstem controls your breathing, heartbeat, facial expressions, and more. Breathing, heartbeat, facial expressions, and more. Breathing and heartbeat are very crucial, very important. And facial expressions we can do consciously, but breathing and heartbeat are always involuntary. Hippocampus, this small orange part, helps you make long-term memories. You can say it is long, so you can remember it like long-term memories. Hippo like hippopotamus, very big animal. You can memory, like you can learn with this. Temporal lobe helps you make sense of what you hear. Here, temporal lobe is in the side of ear, so it will help you make sense of it. Temporal lobe for sense of ear, and occipital lobe for sense of what you see. Pituitary gland, this red color, controls the release of most hormones. This is very important gland. It is a gland which helps release many hormones like growth hormone. Okay. Frontal lobe, pay attention, move specific body parts, plan, reason. It is a cognitive and somatic also. Hypothalamus, it is in the center. Figure it with the stomach is in center, so temperature, hunger, and thirst. Parietal lobe, touch, taste, and pain. P for parietal, P for pain, and touch, taste. Occipital lobe C, temporal lobe here, cerebellum, it coordinates when you move. Hippocampus, hippopotamus, like memories. Brain stem, facial expression, heartbeat, and breathing involuntarily. Okay, these are the lobes. Memorize again. Hypothalamus, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe, brain stem, cerebellum, hippocampus, occipital lobe, pituitary gland. This is the anatomy of brain. Okay, you might be wondering about this gray portion, this gray part. So here I have another image to demonstrate you about this. It is a lateral ventricle thalamus, and I will show you this in another image. So I have got the another image, and you will have another view of the brain. So this is the red part, frontal lobe, and you see cerebral cortex, central sulcus, parietal lobe. This gray part in another image was this yellow, now lateral ventricles, corpus callosum, thalamus, arbor vitae, fourth ventricle, cerebellum, cerebellar cortex, spinal cord, medulla, pons, pituitary gland, temporal lobe, hypothalamus, frontal lobe. Okay, have a good look at it and learn all the parts of the brain. If you remember all these, then you will remember all the functions of it.